This is topic of physical education, and you can say the second part of the physical education. First part is part A, which is related to theoretical part, and part B is related to the cricket and football part. So today I'll cover up only just one topic, which is leg spin. There are many spin variations are there of spin, leg spin, but I'll cover up leg spin, and you will know variations of the leg spin in this slide. So covering up the first one, leg spin, which is, you can say, the normal leg break. So in the all leg break, you have to write down, you have to understand what is the keywords in the leg break. First one, the gripping of the ball, which is normal gripping of three fingers and one thumb, and after that how the bowler is releasing the ball. Okay, so the ball will release at the back of the hand, and the back of the hand is facing toward the fine leg area, and the bowling direction is, first of all, ball will bounce toward the right side, then it will move to the left side. In the technical term, you can say the ball will first bounce toward the leg stump, then it will move toward the off stump, which is known as a normal leg break. So this is all about the leg break is there. And when you can see in the diagram, and you can draw the diagram also in the examination to better understand, the first ball is going toward the right side, or you can see the leg stump, then it is moving to the off stump. As you all know, the three stumps are there. Number one is leg stump, middle stump, off stump. So first of all, ball will moving toward the leg stump, then it will go to the off stump. This is all about the leg break. Now moving to the second variations, and second variation is top spinner. So you all know the Shane one is famous, the leg break, so in which the top spinner is also there. In the top spinner, you can see that the ball is directly moved the toward the batsman leg. I can say that after the bouncing, it will take some height, rapidly it will take some height, so the batsman gets confused what to do. So this is all about top spinner. And talking about the exact definition of the top spinner, you can see on the slide the exact definition of the top spinner. So the gripping is like slightly different, and the back of the hand is facing toward the batsman and not toward the fine leg area, is known as a top spinner. So now moving to the third one, variations of the leg break, which is, you can say, the flipper. Flipper is now some kind of different bowling in which the ball will bounce after not taking so much high after the bouncing of the pitch. It will go directly to the batsman. So batsman is most chances of the LBW is there. So this is all about the flipper. So my dear student, when we're talking about the next variations, so you can see the next variation is slider. Slider is something different in the holding the ball. Means the bowler is holding the ball not from the back of the hand, it is going the ball just palm is facing toward the batsman, the ball is moving slightly, or you can say sliding toward the batsman straightway. Other in the variation, the ball is moving behind the back of the hand, but it is not moving behind the back of the hand, it is going sliding toward the directly of the batsman. This is known as a slider. So this is also one of the famous bowling of the Shane one. You can see the different video, the slider, through the slider. The many batsman is LBW through the slider, because at the last moment the batsman cannot touch the whether ball is coming the leg spin or it is going straightway toward the batsman. And the last one, which is very famous, googly. In the Australian turn, it is known as a wrong on. Googly means whatever expectation of the batsman is there, is not coming like that. So exactly googly ho gayi. It's the same way. Means the ball is going like a manner of the leg spin, but after the bouncing of the leg stump, it is not going toward the off stump. Again, I'm repeating, the batsman think that the ball will come the normal leg spin, but it cannot be jacked at the last moment. Ball when touching the ground, it is moving toward the again off spin, off leg spin. Means the ball goes in a leg spin manner, but it goes to the off spin direction. This is now we can say the googly is there. And of course the you can say the gripping variations also is there. In this slide you can see the gripping variations. First one, ring, you can see the holding the ball, yeah, you can say the ball is facing toward the fine leg area. And the third one, gripping, is exactly googly. You can see the hand is facing toward the, not facing toward the batsman area, batsman faces. And when we are talking about the bounces on the ground, the first one is normal leg break, ball is bouncing on the leg stump, then it is moving to the off stump. But you can see in the googly term, like the ball is bouncing, of course bouncing toward the leg stump, but after the bouncing the leg stump, it is not going to the off stump side, opposite direction में move हो गई. So this is no expectation के अलावा जो आ जाती है सामने, which is known as a googly term. So dear student, I hope I have pretty much cleared the topic. If you have any doubt, let me know. Thank you everyone. God bless you.